ठीक है. So median ka we'll look at the formula first. Acha, before we do the formula, what do you mean by median? Like, do you know what is, like, if you're given a bunch of raw data, do you know how to find the median? What do you mean by the median? Like, where would you find the median?
Ma'am, median means the observation which is in the middle. So like if the number of observations is odd, then n plus 1 upon 2 observation will be our median. And if a number of observations is even, then n upon 2 observation plus n plus 1 upon 2 observation upon 2. So whatever is the answer, that will be the median.
Yes. So it's basically the central observation. Like, if you have a bunch of observations, arrange them all in ascending or descending order. That is quite important. So once you put them in order, whichever observation falls right in the center, that is your median. Okay. So it's a central observation. So if there's odd number of observations, it's pretty easy. Like, agar 5 hai, so the centermost will be your median. But if there's even number, you take the center 2 and average them out. In दोनों के बीच में जो भी है, that will be the median. Okay. So that is if you had like individual data, like ungrouped raw data agar hai, so that's how you would find it. Now, what if you are given grouped frequency distribution table? Like, if you had class intervals and everything, how would you find the median in that case? So the formula for median in this situation, just like mode here. So median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF upon F times H. Okay. So what do all of these alphabets mean? यहाँ पे L is lower limit of the median class, same as what you found in mode. So mode may you had to find the modal class, like the class which had like the maximum frequency. Median ke liye you need to find which is the median class. Then n is the total number of observations. So whatever frequency is there, add them all up. So sum of all the frequency. Then what else do we have? CF is the cumulative frequency. Iska of the class preceding the median class. What else do we have? F is the frequency of the median class. And H is the class size. Let me know once you guys have finished noting it down. Then we'll take an example. I'll tell you like what each of these means. We'll work it out. Okay. Kashvi, Agrima, Tia, just let me know once you finished writing.
Just a second, ma'am. I'm going.
Yeah. I think Mahak, Krisal, and Srijak are done. Finished writing.
Ma'am, done.
Everyone's also done. Samriti's done. Megha also completed, I think, right? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Tia, Anika, and Kashvi.
Yes, ma'am, done.
Anika is also done. Okay. All right. Tia, let me.
Just a minute.
Yeah. In the meantime, we'll take a question.
Ma'am, I had a doubt.
Yeah.
Ma'am, what's the difference between frequency and cumulative frequency?
Yeah. We'll discuss this. Like, pura nahi hua bhi median. So I'm
Okay,
taking,
okay.
yeah, we'll take an example so that way you guys also get to know how to work out the question and all also. समझ में आ जाएगा फिर. Okay, median का question. Okay. Median. Yeah. The median age. ठीक है. This is good. Okay. So, okay. Tia, I'm guessing, like, are you finished?
Ma'am, I was writing the last point.
Oh, sorry.
Ma'am, done.
Okay. All right. So median का let's like look at level 2 23rd question अभी के लिए. This one. The following table gives the distribution of lifetime of 400 neon lamps. These are the lifetime in hours. So there are like 14 lamps jinka lifetime is between 1500 to 2000 hours. 56 lamps are able to run between 2000 to 2500 and ऐसा पूरा table बनाया हुआ है. We need to find the median lifetime of a lamp. Okay, so in पूरा data का median find out करना है. So the first thing that you do, like हमेशा कोई भी median problem हो, figure out the cumulative frequency distribution. ठीक है. So cumulative frequency मतलब, so have you guys come across the word cumulative before? No? Okay, so whenever you come across cumulative, it basically means the total of, like sum of everything. यहाँ पे cumulative frequency मतलब total frequency, like total number find out कर रहे हो. How cumulative frequency works is, यहाँ पे 1500 to 2000 hours 14 है ना, तो how many lamps have lifetime less than 2000 hours?
14.
14. Okay, next. How many lamps have lifetime less than 2500?
56 plus 14.
56 plus 14. कितना हुआ?
Ma'am, 7.
70.
70. Right? So that 70 is the cumulative frequency up to 2500. Similarly, below 3000 कितने lamps है total?
130.
130.
हाँ, like 70 plus 60. Basically 14 plus 56 plus 60. पूरा मिला के. Okay. So next value क्या आएगा cumulative frequency में?
We'll add 86.
216.
Lamps less than 3500 hours.
हाँ, लैम्प्स लेस देन 3500. नंबर कितना है? 156. Okay, next 4000. कर लो. 156 plus 74.
230.
230 आया क्या? हाँ. नेक्स्ट 4500 के लिए
292.
92. एंड इसके लिए
340.
340. Okay. So 400 आना चाहिए.
Ma'am, in 156, it should be 216
Yes.
in the place of 150.
हाँ. That's what I was thinking. 86 है ना, not 26. So this should वही 400 आना चाहिए total. That's another check when you're doing your cumulative. The last value that you get below 5000 तो पूरा ही आ जाएगा ना. So sum of all frequencies, like यहाँ पे जो भी is given, that should come up there. Okay, so 130 plus 86 will be 8 plus 3, yes, 216. Then this will be 280, 290.
290.
Then this will be plus 62, 350, and this will make it 400. Okay. All right. So this is the cumulative frequency. तो हमारे formula में what is the value of capital N? Like just to remind you guys, median is equal to L plus N by 2 minus CF upon F times H. L is the lower limit of the median class. अभी हमने median class ढूंढा नहीं, let it be. यहाँ पे capital N का value क्या होगा?
400.
400.
400. ठीक है. So total number मिल गया. Now, once we have the cumulative frequency table, we can figure out rest of the things. ठीक है. Now, if you had normal data, if I just given you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, how do you find the median of these values? Guys, what is the median of these numbers?
Ma'am, the formula,
Huh?
ma'am, n is observation, so total number of observations. So n plus n by 2 plus 1, the whole divided by 2.
So n plus n by 2 plus 1. यहाँ पे what is n and what is n, like
2
n क्या है?
plus n by 2 plus 1 whole divided by 2.
अच्छा, n by 2
Ma'am, n is the
plus,
total number of observations.
right. So n is the total number of observation, and median के लिए you're figuring out, you're dividing n by 2 to find out the central values, right? Yes.
Ma'am,
Yeah,
these two are also divided by 2.
of course. Yeah, ठीक है. Like formula है, whatever. In order to put it in the formula, you're finding the central value of that. Like यहाँ पे 6 observations, मतलब you're finding the third and fourth observations, right? So here also, in order to find the median class, what you'll do is find out n by 2. What is n by 2?
200.
200, right? Equal to 200, क्योंकि total number is 400. Now 200th observation कौन से class में है?
3000 to 3500.
Which one? 2500 to 3000 or 3000 to 3500? किस में है?
3000 to 3000.
3000 to 3500.
Right? So 130 observations तक इस class में हो गए, and the next 86 observations, मतलब 216 तक यहाँ पे है, which means the observation number 200 जो आ रहा है, that is in this particular class. So this is going to be your median class. Okay. So step 2, median find out करने के लिए, once you got your cumulative frequency table, then find out n by 2 or n by 2 say you will get which is the median class. Okay, so once you have your median class, then what will your L be?
3000.
3000. Then n by 2 to pata hai, that is 200. What is the CF, cumulative frequency?
Is it 400?
No, cumulative frequency is, look at the cumulative frequency column.
216.
No, so CF will stand for, it's the class preceding the median class. So median class ke pehle jo aaya, that is the CF. So this is the value. This will be 130. And frequency F equal to
400.
86.
86. F is regular frequency. Okay, so this will be 86. And finally, H will be equal to
500.
500. That's the class size. Okay. So now we have our L, N by 2, CF, F, H. We know all these values. Put the values in and find out what is the median. Okay. Kar lo jaldi. Only like 2-3 people were responding. Did everyone get this?
Yes, ma'am.
Srijak, Tia, Agrima, Anika, Kashvi.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. Any doubts at any place? Ask immediately, get it clarified so that you solve it, you won't have issues. And another trick to figuring out if your calculation is correct or not is you guys already found which is the median class. So तुम्हारा final answer should be between those values only. यहाँ पे 3000 to 3500 होना चाहिए. Just check that. Srijak was the first one to finish. Srijak, check the calculation. Crystal is the first one to get the right answer also. Nice, well done. Next, Megha also got it. Srijak, you need to check your final calculation. Samriddhi got
Okay.
it. Crystal, Megha, and Samriddhi finished it. Good. Mahak, Tia, Agrima, Anika, Kashvi. कर लो जल्दी. So this will be your calculation. It'll be 3000 plus n by 2 is 200 minus CF is 130 divided by 86 into 500. Plus 70 by 86 into 500. कर लो आ जाएगा. Next question, I'll like do it with you guys on the whiteboard. So I'll tell you how to present it also, like आसान हो जाएगा. So even in the exam, you'll have that clarity, and even when you're doing the question, like you like that, this will minimize your errors. You won't have a lot of confusion and everything. Huh, Srijat, now you got it.
Okay.
Mahak got it. Okay. Tia, Agrima, Anika, and Kashvi. क्या हुआ?
I'm doing, I'll send it.
Okay. All right. Anika and Kashvi have mentioned. We'll send in a bit. Agrima and Tia, क्या हुआ?
Mom also sent a bit.
Okay. Hello, Jaldi. Tia, where are you at? Tia, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
So where are you at? Calculation? कहाँ पे हो? Guys, quickly.
Mom, we have to write till 2 decimal places, right?
2 decimal places. देखते 86, so 35, and this will be 2 into 3. So this is 3000 plus. Kashvi got it? Yeah. 25 by 43. Agrima got it? Good. Yes. Agrima is the first one to give it with the units. Right. So this is the first question, like, okay. But usually, yeah, when you're writing your final answer, good to give the units also. Okay. Next few questions onwards, I'll be looking at that also. Oh no, Anika, I told you, like median class is 3000 to 3500. Iska matlab, the median you will find somewhere between these values only.
Okay.
So is this what you did? Like 3000 plus 200 minus 130? Yahi hoga? Like, did you do this only in your calculation?
Yes, ma'am.
So,
I got my mistake just a minute. Yeah.
ah.
I'm getting it between them.
Crystal, yes, it will be in hours because median you're finding for this data, right? So your lifetime is the median. So lifetime यहाँ पे the numbers are in hours. So your median also का units will be in hours.
Okay.
Mention the units if you're given this type of a question. Like suppose you're just given class and frequency without any more information, then you don't need to worry about the units. But if it says like lifetime in hours or weekly income in rupees, like if you're given more info, then mention the units. Okay. Anika is correcting it. Tia, I haven't received any answer. What are you doing?
Yes, ma'am. Just a minute.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, I'm assuming you guys have like written the table and have the question with you. In the meantime, Acha, before we go to the next question, should I summarize how to find the median? Like, should we just do it point by point, like just revise it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is the formula for median. Now, how do you do it? Steps like first, find the cumulative frequency, like add the cumulative frequency column. So that's the first step you do for any median related problem. Figure out what is the cumulative frequency. So once you have the cumulative frequency, then you find the median class from n by 2 value. Like n by 2 observation kahan pe hai, that will give you the median class. Figure out n by 2 and find out where it falls. That will give you the median class. So once you find the median class, write the values of L, CF, F, and H. Because all these values you will get only once you have the median class. L is like lower limit of the median class. Cumulative frequency is median class ka ek upar wala frequency. F is the frequency of the median class itself, and H is the class size. So once you have the values, put it in the formula and calculate. Okay. So if you want, you can note this down. And once you're ready, we'll do the next one. The way you present it also, let it be in this order itself. Pehla tumhara table rahega with the observations, frequency and cumulative frequency. Then highlight the median class so that you don't get confused. Ki wahan pe dikh jayega easily when you're writing the values. Then table ke niche write down L equal to this much, CF equal to this much, F equal to this much. And you don't have to think so much. Then directly you can put the formula and like directly substitute it. Okay, so that clarity also will be there step by step. And once you have that clarity, you'll like minimize on the mistakes. You won't really.
So there will be only 3 columns in like these sums.
Yes, 3 columns.
Okay.
Let me know, give some sort of a reaction once you're ready to start the question, then we'll do it. So we'll do like a couple more questions and one or two until you guys are confident, and then we'll start live session. We'll do the practice on Flipper. So तुम्हारा homework भी कम हो जाएगा. We'll cover maximum. Yeah, Mahak, Samriddhi, Srijak are ready. Megha is also ready. Okay. So Chriselle, Tia, Agrima, Anika, and Kashvi, let me know when you're ready.
Then, ma'am.
Anika, yes.
Yeah, ready.
Okay. Kashvi? Kashvi is ready. Okay. All right, then I won't do this question. Like, do it on your own, then we'll see. 24. This is also pretty direct. Distribution gives weight of 30 students. Find the median weight of the students. Now you'll have to make the table and all, right? So don't worry, like take some time. Make sure that your answer is correct. Focus on that. It's okay even if you're doing it a little slow, but make sure that it's right. And this time I want answers from everybody, huh? Still didn't make the cumulative frequency. Then once you have it, figure out the median class, then put the formula. Anybody has any doubt at any point? You're not sure, should I take this value or that value? Anything at all, let me know. Okay.
Ma'am, how do we find the median class?
Median class, find out n by 2. यहाँ पे n by 2 क्या होगा? You get
30, 15, 15.
15, right? So 15th observation किधर है? Like once you have the
Okay.
cumulative frequency, तभी पता चलेगा.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Does everyone have the median class now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Mahak, Chriselle, Tia, Agrima, guys got the median class?
Yes, ma'am. I have given my answer.
Okay. Crystal has already sent. Oh, Mark also sent. Oh, very close. Like you guys differed in decimal points. So round off error kuch hoga. Let's see. Srijak also got it. Okay. Srijak and Mark got the same thing. Anika, check your calculation. Very close to the actual answer, but like very which tiny difference है, which means कुछ addition subtraction में ही कुछ difference आया होगा. हाँ, Crystal, now it is correct. Where did you make a mistake? Like कहाँ पे? Where did you get the?
When like dividing it, the fraction.
हाँ,
So I put 4 by
ठीक है. Anika, check your calculation. Maybe it's a decimal value issue अगर देख रही हो तो like 0.1 point उसमें कुछ difference आया होगा. Check. Samriddhi got it. Hey, calculation is pretty simple only, not very difficult numbers. Yeah. Okay, किस किस का हो गया अभी? Samriddhi, Crystal, Anika, Srijak, Mehak. 5 people. So, Megha, Tia, Agrima, Kashvi.
Yes, ma'am, just a minute.
हाँ. Tia, Agrima and Anika, sorry, Tia and Agrima, where are you guys at? So Tia and Agrima, can you guys send the median class, the one that you found out? So if you're in the final calculation, let me know. Otherwise, send the median class. Tia, Agrima, guys there? Megha got it? Yes. Kashvi, what's going on with you? Like, have you solved it?
Yes, ma'am, just give me a minute.
Okay. Agrima got it? Yes, that is correct. Anika, can you tell me the values that you got? What is L equal to? Anika? Yes. Krima answered, but Anika, just wanted to check if you got the right values or not. Oh, I'm not able to hear you, Anika. Yes, L equal to 55. वो तो सही है. Okay, next, n by 2 15 तो कर लिया. So CF will be equal to 13, correct? F equal to 19 कैसे? So that's where the issue is. That's why you got a different value. So F is regular frequency only. F is not cumulative frequency. So F ka value is this only, 6. And then H equal to 5. No, don't apologize. Like that's what we are here to correct, no? ठीक है. तो अभी तो पता चल गया. And once you do the calculation, ठीक आना चाहिए. Okay. ठीक है. We'll do the live session. We'll start the live session abhi. Or should we do one more class, like one more problem?
No, we can start the live session.
Everyone, like, start.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, okay. We'll do median related questions only. You guys are in grade 10, chemistry and math, the statistics, mean, assumed mean, step deviation. Okay, median. Here it is. So we'll stick to some of the simple questions only. All right, this is the live code.